Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to present to you the best BPN Whey Protein Powder on the market, the Bare Performance Nutrition Whey Protein plus Casein Protein Powder Blend in vanilla flavor. This protein powder is not just another supplement, it's a game changer for anyone serious about their fitness journey. Now, let's get into what makes this protein powder stand out. Each serving delivers a whopping 25 grams of protein, thanks to its unique blend of fast-acting whey and slow-digesting casein. This combination is designed to support lean muscle recovery, which is essential whether you're hitting the gym or just staying active. The product comes in 27 servings, making it a great value for your investment. Mixability is crucial for any protein powder, and I'm happy to report that the BPN blend excels in this area. It mixes effortlessly in just 6 to 8 ounces of cold water, milk, or your favorite milk substitute. No clumps, no fuss. The flavor is smooth and enjoyable, with a rich vanilla taste that makes it easy to look forward to post-workout shakes or even as an addition to your morning smoothie. What about quality? This protein powder boasts high-quality ingredients, consisting of 88% fast-acting whey protein and 12% slow-digesting casein protein. This ensures a steady release of amino acids into your bloodstream, enhancing muscle recovery and growth. Additionally, it's naturally sweetened and flavored, and you won't find any artificial additives here. Another important aspect to consider is safety. BPN's protein powder is third-party tested for banned substances, earning an Informed Sport certification. This means you can consume it with peace of mind, knowing that it meets strict quality standards, especially if you're an athlete or just health conscious. Bare Performance Nutrition is more than just a brand, it's a community built on motivation and the belief that everyone can reach their highest levels of fitness. They live by the motto, "Go one more," encouraging you to push your limits, whether that's in the gym or in your everyday life. In conclusion, if you're looking for a high-quality protein powder that supports muscle recovery, tastes great, and is safe to consume, the BPN Whey Protein plus Casein Protein Powder Blend is your best bet. It checks all the boxes for quality, taste, and efficacy. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, this protein powder could be a valuable addition to your routine. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more in-depth analyses of health and fitness products, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Share your experiences with protein powders in the comments below. Until next time, keep pushing your limits.